guys, Archon Forex here. I'm back again on our weekly analysis. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. Now, let me show you the trade for last week. If you could remember in our last week analysis that we did, we are expecting market to come into this other block here. So market did as we anticipate, and it was a full take profit. This is my first trade for the week, which is on Monday. Then this is my second trade on the this is another this is my second trade I took, which is on Wednesday, which means I didn't see any what is it called? My setup doesn't present itself for me on Tuesday. So this is another one that I took on Wednesday, which end up as a sell. Okay, that's fine. This is another one on Thursday. This one I took on Thursday, and another TP. Then this is the one on Friday, which is also a SL. So during the week, we take 4 trades, 2 SL and 2 TP, which is still close the day with 8%. So that's fine. So that is just that on the trade. I just want to show you guys. Now let's move into the analysis. Firstly, we are going to our weekly time frame, as we all know, just to know what is going on weekly time frame. We are not taking any trade from there, just to have a helicopter view of the chart. Yeah, we have our clean chart. So moving on weekly time frame, what can we see? Let me zoom out very well so we can see what is going on here. So on weekly time frame, we have this three candle moving to the upside, but it's not giving us that momentum as we expect it. Because if the market is going to be continuation to the upside from here, I'm expecting a big candle here, most especially the last week candle. It's not giving us a big momentum candle, but the week still end with bullish candles, which means we are still going to work with the bullish candle that we have there. So which means we have a bullish candle. So what should we be expecting for the next week? So I'm still expecting another bullish candle, or at least to this level, a bullish move to this level before do whatever I wanted to do, maybe come down or continue. Like to this level, I mean, I expect it to come to this level at least to this level before now maybe want to continue to upside or want to come down. So that's that on about that. So moving on to daily time frame. Yeah, this is on daily time frame. So yeah, on daily time frame, what can we see? Actually, how we see this is a bearish trend, right? Market is moving to the downside like this. A look of structure here. Change of character here. Now a change of character. Another, then another POS here. So this is another POS. Then so another POS. Then market move to the downside before it continue doing all this. So that's what we can see on um daily time frame. Still have this imbalance here. You have this imbalance here, but market has not get there. So let's go to 4 hour. Now, here on 4 hour, all we have to focus on is this trend now on 4 hour. This movement here is our focus on 4 hour, which is we are on bearish move, right? We are on bearish move, right? Which says this is BOS. We have a BOS here. We have a BOS here. We have a uh the origin of the BOS here, which is the other block here. We have the other block here. So the last BOS here is this, the last BOS of this trend, this one. Okay. Then we have this change of character here. I think we did all this on our last week analysis, but we still have to do it just to give us a clear movement of the chart. Now we have this change of character. We have this BOS here. This is the BOS here. So this is our last break of structure here. So our last break of structure, this is it on 4 hour. Now, with that being said, I can see a other block sitting right here. I can see another block sitting right here. So this other block is going to determine the fate of this chart now, which maybe market is going to continue to the upside or is going to bounce back from here. But since market has not given us a change of character yet, because this is our last break of structure, and market has not even break it to give us a change of character yet. So we are still on our bullish move. We are still on our bullish move. So until we have this break of structure turn to a change of character, then that's when we're now going to be changing our bias to a sell. So which means market might be interested in coming to the upside here. Market might just break this other block and come to the upside here. But this is another one here as well. But this one will be pending for now. So now we are going to just to focus on this. Now moving down to 2 hour. Here on 2 hour, what can we find here? Nothing. There's nothing to same thing as 4 hour. Nothing much here. So market just came down here. We don't have any break of structure or anything here. So now let's go on to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, what do we have? Still no break of structure or change of character, anything like that. So, but we have this other block sitting right here. This bullish other block. So we have this other block sitting right here, which is indicating market to come down and touch in to continue moving to the upside. So now let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. On 30 minutes time frame, still nothing special, same thing. Okay, let's move on to our entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. Now, 15 minutes, I can see this little other block here, this other block sitting right here. Then there is a there is an imbalance here as well, which is perfecting our setup for us. So with this now, we are expecting market to just come down to this level and move from there. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to move. I'm expecting price to move down here and from here move to the upside. So that's what I'll be expecting on XAUSD. Here is my position. Here is my position. So I'm sitting right here. Then I'm targeting 1:5. So that's it on XAU USD setup for the week. So there's it. We're looking for a buy unless market break this down here and give me a change of character below here. Unless we have a change of character here, that's when I'll not be changing my bias to be a sell. But for now, I'm waiting. I'm going for a buy. Price might just open and continue to the upside. It's still good. All I'm going to do is just to wait for this place to be a break of structure and look for another other block within that range, then set my trap and expecting price to come back there. So same thing that I did here, that's what I'll also be doing when markets break this one to be an odd a BOS. That being said, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. Peace.